Hey everyone, here is Razer A5 Lux kick scooter for kids and grown-ups. It is very convenient to store this way. It doesn't take much space. You see how big are wheels. You kick less and ride more. Let's just unfold it. It's that easy, and here 1, 2, 3, done. With these wheels it's really easy to ride. Reliable brakes right in here, so you feel safe on the road. Convenient, reliable, and provides a lot of fun. I personally really enjoy using it. Thanks for watching.